Vergo Group is a distinguished manufacturer of trusted home decor products. Our guiding philosophy of hard work and operational excellence has naturally made us market leaders in this key sector. Our remarkable success is ample proof of the accomplished fact that we typically provide the best quality products to our satisfied customers. The credit for our success goes to our dealers, distributors and employees. Vergo Group is India's biggest multinational manufacturer, marketer and distributor of laminates, plywood, aluminium rolled products, ACP, PVC laminates, restroom cubicles, cladding and pharma. Vergo Group has more than 10 lakh square feet of manufacturing space. Vergo is a familiar name that is known for highest quality product. Our products with innovative attributes have top quality performance, and for us, the commitment to our customers remains chief priority. Established in 1993, Vergo Group's philosophy is a unique combination of history and the future. We efficiently are Asia's biggest laminates manufacturing group, who intentionally keeps technical merriment at the front of our workflow. We maintain world-class quality range of products. Our sole focus is to provide top quality products at affordable rates to our end users. Late Shri Ram Prakash Arora established Vergo in 1993. By 1997, Vergo commenced successful production of boards at Barwala, Punjab. In its first decade, Vergo launched Vergo Board and Vergo Laminates. In 2005, the group comfortably established one more plant under the name of Vergo Industries at Kala Amb, Himachal Pradesh. Keeping in mind the market's affinity towards Vergo Laminates, management naturally took the decision to start a high-class, high-capacity and ultra-modern setup at Bhiwadi, Rajasthan in 2015. Vergo Panel in 2015, Vergo Decors in 2015, Vergo ACP PVC in 2017, and in 2018, one more achievement through Higgs Healthcare. By 2017, Vergo products befitted a name which was on the list of every dealer, distributor, architect and interior designer in India. We extended international branches and demand kept increasing from all over the world. To progressively increase product expansion and to simplify the export process, a 95-acre township project was carefully developed in Ahmedabad. For the forward integration of our aluminium business and with the practical experience of the building material industry, we launched India's first A2 grade ACP panel. A new beginning was invariably made with the successful launch of PVC laminates. To make products reach to our eager customers easily, a new manufacturing plant was started at Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh in 2018. Vergo Group sincerely wants to bring some or the other innovation in diversification. To realistically achieve this dream, the group entered into the pharmaceutical business by launching Higgs Healthcare in Baddi, Himachal Pradesh in 2018. In 2019, product expansion at Ahmedabad Township project and novel products of aluminium were reached to 5,000 tons per month. In Ahmedabad itself, production of laminates of the dimension of 14 feet by 6 feet has started, keeping in mind the global exports. Infrastructure. Vergo Group boasts a total of 13 manufacturing plants with 42 branches. Along with this, we have 4 international branches. The national field force of the group is 400, and with more than 170 overseas staff, we have a strong international sales team. The total employee count is more than 4,800. There are 469 distributors and more than 22,000 dealers. The capacity to export is in 60 diverse countries. Laminates infrastructure. We are Asia's biggest laminate producers and our capacity is 30 lakhs of sheets per month. We have more than 2,000 available designs with more than 250 unique textures. We have 6 manufacturing places and 25 HPL presses. Our capacity of biggest size in various dimensions that we produce is 14 feet by 6 feet. We maintain viable options for a considerable variety of sizes. Our plants are adequately equipped with 3 in-house ultra-modern CNC machines. All the Virgo laminates are pure phenolic. They have uniform and superior sanding, which results in the best bonding with substrates. Infrastructure made of PVC laminates. PVC laminates brought a revolution in the wood panel industry with its super gloss and unmatchable seamless look. We are amongst those select companies that produce in-house PVC laminates in support of the Make in India campaign. Our present capacity is 1.05 lakh sheets per month. We have more than 400 available designs with more than 25 textures. Virgo PVC laminates can be bent to 90 degrees. This means it is 90-degree bendable and can be given an edge-free look. Virgo PVC laminates are made without lead, which is appropriate and friendly for the environment. Our laminates are color-coded. Virgo Aluminium has a total manufacturing capacity of more than 7,500 tons. Here we manufacture alloys of 1 series, 3 series, 5 series and 8 series. The alloys are made up of 0.10 mm to 6 mm of thickness, with a width of 60 mm to 1550 mm and a height of 6 meters. Our aluminium plants also have color coating plants, which are kinds of triple bake and triple coat color coating lines. Virgo Group brought a revolution in the whole industry by launching superior Korean technology made A2 grade ACP in India for the first time. 30 lakh square feet production capacity, special anti-fading technology, and with national and international brand recognition, we have successfully completed more than 2,500 projects. Virgo ACP is the only Asian company that uses its own coil and color coating. Higgs Healthcare. The fast-growing company Higgs Healthcare was established in 2018 at Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Here, all parenteral solutions are available under one roof. Here, all parenteral solutions are available under one roof. Higgs Healthcare is a market leader in specialized parenteral solutions. This plant is built to WHO GMP and PICS standards. Manufacturing of big and small volume parenteral products, 3-piece plastic vials, eye or ear drops and FFS bottle eye drops is done here. Higgs Healthcare is a favorite P2P manufacturer of almost all the Indian multinational companies. Virgo thinks about the future. For this reason, it becomes extremely necessary to invest in our employees. Our employees are our main resource. In different regions and sectors, the skilled employees consider Virgo as the employer of choice. The passion for quality, commitment to work, and multifaceted products have made Virgo Group a market leader. We remain in permanent partnership with our customers. Virgo Group is a success story. We are a team of professionals who make world-class products. Virgo Group. Laminates, plywood, aluminium, ACP, PVC and pharma.